To get dynamic island notifications on Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all, you will need to open Google Play Store on your device. Sadly, dynamic island notifications are not available for it, so we'll need to get a separate app that will unlock it. The app name is Dynamic Island, so just look for it, and the name for it is Dynamic Notch Notification Bar. It's this app right here that we want to download. So when it's downloaded, open the app, and then make sure to allow any permissions that will pop on your screen. So there might be some of them. We need to choose language and move to the next step, or even skip it if we like. And then allow the permissions that I said. Click on the switch right there to turn it on, and then activate it in accessibility settings. Select installed apps and dynamic notch, then turn it on. Then the same goes for notifications. We need to find dynamic notch and enable it. For the calls. And lastly, for battery optimization. When it's ready, our dynamic notch is already set up, so we can then continue home, and we can start exploring. That means you can adjust all of the settings that will show up. And lastly, as you can see, the dynamic notch shows up, and when we receive notification, it should be in the dynamic island style. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.